I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming mic quality and permissions so Notebooklm can access clear audio. Adjust gain and sample rate now. Once done, open Notebooklm and create a new audio note so you have a dedicated space for processing. Record a short test clip of about 5 to 10 seconds. Listen back and make sure there's no clipping and that speech is intelligible. If levels are off, reduce gain or move the mic closer. This prevents wasted re-recording later. Next, trim out background noise and split long recordings into short segments to speed up transcription and reduce errors. Upload each segment to Notebooklm, choose the correct language and any advanced processing options like enhanced speech models or diarization. Once Notebooklm generates the transcript, review it carefully. Correct misheard words, insert punctuation, and add speaker labels or timestamps where needed. Doing this cleanup now improves searchability. And to finish, use Notebooklm's analysis tools to create concise summaries, extract highlights, and generate searchable notes from your clean transcript. This turns raw audio into actionable content. Once satisfied, export your work in the format you need: SRT for subtitles, TXT for plain notes, or keep a Notebooklm native file for iterative edits. If alignment or accuracy is poor, re-record the noisy segment or tweak processing settings and re-upload. That single corrective step usually resolves timing or recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.